Hello, Cartoon Animator user. Yes, today I would like to show you how to animate this one. Yeah, play. Okay, this is simple and easy and how I create this one. So I would like to create new. Yeah, click new. Yeah, create this one. So I would like to track the character I buy from Revolution. Yeah, Revolution character. So this one I would like to find a file that inside the character, custom character, character, yeah, and lion, and this one, yeah, and drag and drop. Just waiting. Okay, I get this lion, and I flip this selector like this. So I would like to use animate running for motion. Click dog and move running. This one. Click. Okay, and we open timeline. Click object directed. Click motion, and I will drag to this like this. Okay, and zoom out a little bit to check it running. Maybe here like this and drag to okay play and click transform to drag it. It is that means slow that I would like to get this fast like this. See, yeah, and drag far away, far this more. Okay, after that I at the frame one I would like to add the prop that I already create this prop custom file file this one, yeah, file. So I drag and drop. Yeah, right click to loop animate this one like that. I click motion. Okay, already loop ready, so just play like that. So I would like to duplicate this one and make it circle at frame 1 to make sure frame 1 and duplicate this. Yeah, I have a 2 a bit okay like that. I this one, so I would like to deform this this file. Click prop key editor, click deform, and I click scene manager to check this group. Okay, this one I drag to like this. I select 3 of this and drag. Okay, and click close this. So I would like to use this because this already drag deform it. Yeah, duplicate again and drag like this and flip. Sorry, and use vertical like this. Okay, and drag in. So this one, sorry, cannot like that, and I would like to click to the key again. I would like to drag this group is reverse this one, sorry, and this one reverse like this. like this. Okay, and transform this to share. Again, deform, push this, run this, do this a circle. Okay, like that. Play. Okay, and this one I drag out a bit more. This one I would like to use opacity around 90 or 80. Okay, okay, and this one 90. Okay, like that. So I would like to animate this lion jump when this lion run right here, like this. Okay, it jump. So I would like to break it down here, break. Okay, and delete. Okay, and right here. So sorry, not this one. Lion, click lion, and break this for lion motion. Okay, and click delete this. When I right here, so look like jump. Okay, this far away. Again, maybe right here, back a little, yeah, and right click to break this and delete. This point, so, and this point right here, double click this, okay, and drag back to the middle point here and drag up. It's simple and easy. Zoom little, okay, and this point, drag up and here up. Okay, like that, and this point up, this, okay, testing. Okay, when I write here, so I use motion of this animal, move of this dog running, just drag and drop. Okay, you see it's not stand still, it's start here. Okay, start here. So this point, reset pivot, yeah, reset pivot, that means it not aligned with this pivot, it reset pivot, so we would like to connect from this pivot. Okay, and running, so test again. Okay, and simple, easy. Okay, after that I use bomb, this not bomb, called smoke. Yeah, smoke. I find one that effect, so I find the smoke, this one, and speed sign I can use also if you like to use this. Yeah, we can use speed, this one. Okay, and click transform and flip this horizontal flip and click remove this and double click and back to share that here. So I would like to loop this and click motion to drag and loop, play. Okay, After this lion jump right here, and this start there. See, start there, and after that lion run to run right here. Okay, right there. Okay, and this point I would like to hide this because lion already jumped, and until here and unhide this one. Okay, play, hide, play, like that. Simple, easy. And I would like to cut this frame here. Stop. Stop here. Okay. Jump. So I would like to use smoke up this one. Effect smoke up here and drag and drop. Maybe smoke up here. Right click to use smoke up. Okay. When jump with smoke up here frame 24, and would like to see motion smoke up when smoke up. When smoke up here, high this one, and drag to 24. Okay, and this one visible and invisible, and first frame with that mean invisible. Okay, play, see smoke up here, and after that we will smoke up again here, smoke up here, smoke up, drag and drop, smoke up like that. So we would like to check smoke up when smoke up. All right, jump here and smoke up. Frame 26. Okay, 26, and smoke up. Yeah, 26. Okay, click high and high. Yeah, click first frame, click high. Play. You see, simple and easy to animate like this. Okay, just add scene. The black one, easy to see this. Okay, play. Okay, thank you guys. Hope you understand this, and this easy to create how to make this lion jump and use file effect like this. So this file effect I create inside Photoshop, that I draw frame by frame. That means I sketch this file first, and after that I draw this. Okay, and lion and smoke, everything is inside Crazy Talk Cartoon Animator 4 that Revolution created, so it's useful. Thank you guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, if you it helpful, and if I make a mistake, I'm sorry first. Thank you, see you next tutorial. Bye bye.